Hello friends, my name is Raj. Uh, Welcome to my channel, Kuti Tech Creator. Today I'm going to show you how we can make money online through affiliate marketing. So what is an affiliate marketing and how we can make money through Clickbank? Today I'm choosing Clickbank as a source to see how we can make money through Clickbank. Now let's start. This is a Clickbank site, which is a genuine site which was established in 1998 and it belongs to United States. This is very good website which is genuine and which will pay you once you make a sale, which I'm going to show you in further that how we can make sales using Clickbank. So let me start step by step. Now let's start with how to log in and how to create an account first, and then how to choose a product, how to get your own link, and then go ahead and how to do marketing with that link to get money. Now, this is a website where you're going to the website looks something like this. Once you open the link, just click on sign up. It'll take you to this page where you need to give all the details, give your country. It works in every country, anywhere in the world, guys. You just need to make a sale. This is something like a digital marketing sales where you're not selling a product or a thing, you're selling a software. In this video I'm going to show you how to sell a digital product, not a normal thing like a laptop or a mobile or something. I'm going to show you how to sell a software which will help you gain good amount of money. Now this website pays to anybody who is living on the earth, anywhere. You live anywhere, you live in Ukraine, you live in Russia, you live in Vietnam, you live in Pakistan, India, South Africa, you name it, Asia, Australia, anywhere. Now, once you sign up, I already have an account, so I'm just going to click on login. My internet is a bit slow, guys. Just bear with me. So, this is the account that you're going to look at. Now, how this is the page where you'll be seeing like what is the amount of money that you're making and how can you transfer. I'll be showing you everything step by step. Now first let's go to affiliate marketing where you can choose a product. Now let's see how we choose our product, how we create our own link. That's the important thing. Once you choose it, I'll also show you how to make it marketing with free of cost. Of course, free. We are not going to make any money by spending money. We are just going to spend some time over here, share the link into the market, and get revenue. Now let's see. As I told you, today I'm going to work out on. Now, once you are here, just select an option where you can sell a software. Here I'm trying to sell internet tools, and once I start selling it, I just click on promote. Just check for the good suitable one. Click on promote. Once you have this, just give the name for it, whatever name you'd like to give, just give it, and click on generate hop links. I'm sorry about that. And now copy this link. Once you're done with that, you can either promote the same link or you can go to extension, add an extension called Bitly. I'll shortly release another video regarding that, where this tool will convert the link to a small link. If you see here, the link has converted. I've just copied it. Now I have the link. Now what to do? Where should I promote my link or the product I'm trying to sell? Now, as I told you, we are not going to spend any money. This is going to be absolutely free. We are going to do in two places. One is Quora and the other one is groups, Facebook groups. You search for internet related tools groups, add them to your, just go ahead and join the group and post your link into the group with some detail. Give some details like, hey, I have a product. I would like to, share it with you where it would be useful for you. Could you go ahead and check it? If you like it, just go ahead and buy it. If not, just go ahead and, check the link for me. Give some information before, just giving a link in Facebook groups. When it comes to Quora, if you try to give any affiliate link, they'll bang you. So do not give the link. Just search for some group, some questions, answer the questions. Let's say someone is asking about, I would like to buy a tool, but this is my problem, this is what's happening. What would you recommend? Just tell them, hey, my name is so and so, and this is the product that I have. I'm trying to reach you, and then try to get them, their personal information. Try to, then on a personal note, tell them that this is my Facebook group. Let's go ahead and meet up there, or any social forum. Just meet up there, and then give the link and tell them try this. If you love it, that's okay. If not, that's also okay. If you buy it, it has 100% guarantee, money back guarantee. Clickbank actually gives that. It gives 100% money back guarantee. So just ask them, just post them. Spend 1 hour a day and post like to 10 to 20 people in Facebook group as well as in Quora. And I'm sure you'll be making a sale within a week. And once you make that sale, once you see your dashboard with the money in it, that's when you'll be surprised. Once you have your money here, you can actually send it to your PayPal account, or you can also add your bank information if it's allowing you, and you can just directly transfer the money to your group. I think you liked my video. If you like it, please subscribe and help me to grow my channel. Please also hit the like button. If you would like to give some comments, please go ahead and provide me in the comment section, which will help me improve my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.